Do you want to create a Telegram account without phone number? Then in today's video, that is exactly what we're going to be treating. So sit right back and don't go anywhere. Welcome to this channel, friend. My name is Maverick from Online with Maverick, and right here in today's video, I'm going to be your tutor and I'm going to be teaching you exactly what you need to know about how you can create a Telegram account without a phone number. Right on this channel, I talk majorly about Telegram and several other social media accounts, so you might want to hit the red subscribe button if that interests you so that you'll be notified anytime I create new tutorials. Now, if you want to do this to create a Telegram account without phone number, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're just going to create a Telegram account with another method, maybe an email or just signing up anyhow. Like if I should just add straight to Telegram just like this, and I do all the necessary things, so like you can see, cloud-based, I'll give you access to from multiple, right? So just tap on start messaging. The first thing that they're gonna bring for me is phone number. Okay, so the best way for you to do this is by you using a virtual phone number. Okay, so what this means is that you can just add over to your browser just like this. And once you head over to your browser just like this, the next thing for you to do is to come over to this website called receive slash I think that is -sms-free.cc if I'm correct, right? Just like this. Yeah, so here is the website right here. Okay, so you can come to this website and you're gonna be able to get free numbers for SMS. Okay, so you'll be using it to get free numbers for SMS verification. So just come right there, scroll down, you're gonna see a little bit of some ads right at the top. It's just for them to monetize, but the numbers are confirmed and you can just pick one of them. Just click on receive SMS. So this is the kind of stuff I used to create any account if I don't want to use my personal phone number, and you can just click on it and you copy. And once you copy it, you can see right here, refresh this page to get new message will arrive in about 1 minute. Anyone can send a message of this number. Now the thing about this is it's just that there is no privacy. Okay, there is no privacy. Like when you use this number, just know that maybe you're just using this maybe for you just want to use it. Okay, so it's not something that you can rely on for long, because a lot of people are using this phone number. You can see they're using it to receive several text messages, and you can see everything right here. You can see Apple, Samsung, a lot of phone number. Even for TikTok, you can see that they use it for TikTok verification, Clubhouse, Google. So you can see you can use this for several verification. Okay, you can see for you to even be able to use this for Google verification, then you know that these numbers are real. Okay, so you just copy it, paste it right here, just select the number, just paste it there, +1. Okay, so you just paste it in your browser. Okay, and you click on go. Okay, so once you click on go, you are gonna receive your text verification right here. Okay, so you're gonna see your text verification here. Okay, and it's gonna be at the top, so you just refresh and you will be able to get it. Okay, but just know that this method is not that too secure. Okay, so when I mean not that too secure, I mean the number will also, like a lot of other people are gonna see the verification code. Okay, so that is just how this works. But the best thing for you to do is just to get maybe another virtual number. Okay, maybe buy a virtual number online. All right, so that is just about this tutorial, friend. And if it is helpful, let me know in the comment box, and please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much, and take care of yourself. Peace.